E, I was watching TV, and guess who I saw? Chill. The late Michael Jackson is back from the dead, and I was like, wow. Oh, wow. Wait. This is mind-defying. Wait, maybe I'm dreaming. So I had to clean the speck from my eyes to ascertain if this is really happening. And I can see the looks on your faces because you've been primed. See, unfortunately, it was not real. It was just someone that looked like him. Fair skin, pointed nose, curled hair on a celebrity red carpet pose. And so sarcastically I laughed, reminding myself that you can't cheat death. And that you only live once, and every day draws you closer to an exit. And so suddenly, Hebrews 9:27 dawned on me, for it is appointed for a man to die once, and after this comes the judgment. So please, pay close attention and listen. See, I'm not trying to force you into morbid thinking, but just for a minute, can you reflect and muse upon my sayings that Michael Jackson, with all the fame and all the accolades, died but never came back? It's so unfortunate that he couldn't withhold the power of the grave. And it's such a shame that if you think you'll be exempted from afterlife's claim where there's no blame game, you're tripping. See, I don't know Tupac Shakur, right? He had the fame, the money, even the Rolls Royce. Passing by the street and you can hear the fans' noise. Partying all day and all night, I guess this is the good life. But who would have ever thought the few bullets could take you to the other side? See, I can't keep living like this. Pretending I'm having fun and driving the crowd crazy when deep on the inside of me it's self-deceit. If the money, fame, worldliness, and acquisition of worldly possession were to solve this soul, then why am I not having this inner peace? Come on, this case is spiritual.
Sir.
Let's go back to Romans 8:6.
Romans 8:6.
That was the famous rock star called the Bane's last words. Yeah. Before pulling the trigger, blowing his head up.
Yes, sir.
See, men have lived and gone. Every day children are born. We've seen iconic figures rise and fall. I can go on and on calling names. I can go on and on